In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Xero. If you want your sales data and accounting records to work together more smoothly, connecting Shopify to Xero is a great place to start. This integration helps reduce manual data entry and can make it easier to keep your bookkeeping organized. I will walk you through the setup process clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. To begin, log into your Xero account. Once you are on the main dashboard, go to the top right corner and look for the icon with 9 dots. This opens the app launcher, where you can access additional tools and services connected to Xero. Click that icon. Then choose the option to open the App Store. When the App Store opens, go to the search bar and type in Shopify. From the search results, select either Shopify or Shopify Integration by Xero. Depending on what appears in your account, make sure you choose the official integration option so you are setting up the correct connection between the two platforms. Next, click Get This App. After that, select Connect App to begin the integration setup. At this stage, Xero will start guiding you through the process of linking your Shopify store. You'll then be asked to enter your Shopify store domain name. Type it carefully, since this tells Xero which Shopify store you want to connect. Once you've entered the correct domain, click Connect to continue. After that, you will be prompted to log in to Shopify. Enter your Shopify account details on the secure login screen, and then review the permissions being requested. These permissions allow the integration to access the information it needs in order to sync your store activity with Xero. If everything looks correct, approve the required permissions to move forward. The final part of the setup is choosing your sync preference. For example, you may be able to sync daily summaries or import each sale individually. The best option depends on how much detail you want in Xero and how you prefer to manage your accounting records. If you want a cleaner, more summarized view, daily summaries may work well. If you need more transaction-level detail, a per-second AL sync may be the better choice. Once you've selected your preferred sync option, complete the setup. Your Shopify and Xero accounts should now be connected and ready to work together. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.